Hi, this is John with Fix It Planet. Today we've got a pair of Sony, these are the MDR 1000X model wireless headphones. And the inside, left inside, sort of a hinge cover or a panel. So the inner panel on the left side is broken, as you can see there. And we're looking to get to these two screws right here on the end. You can just see the screw heads there. So we're right at the point where it swivels. So we're going to swivel the head or the earpiece around. And we're going to take these two screws out. Now, this is pretty easy. It's not going to require soldering. It's not going to require any rewiring. But it's an unusual repair. We don't see very many of these. So I thought we'd do a quick video on this. Okay, so we're going to take those two screws out and set them to the side. As you can see, the replacement part we need is down there on the mat. I'll get a little bit a closer view here, and you can see how busted up this piece is here. You can see there's where the two screws screwed into the outer panel. And the outer panel is still in good condition. At least it's still intact. So all we're going to do now is we're going to separate the inner panel from the outer panel, and it's pretty easy when it's broken like that. They actually fit together sort of tongue and groove style, and as you can see, the back outer panel slides up and down, and on the right there is the part where it swivels. There's a couple of screws there with the little metal plates. We're going to go for those next. I want to get those out. Set those screws to the side, so we won't need those necessarily. There's the broken bits left over. So as you can see, the wiring is still intact. And this piece here has actually got the part of the hinge bracket attached to it. We're not going to need that because that part isn't damaged. So we're just going to use, we can use the screws from that or the original screws, either one, won't matter. But what we're going to do is we're going to take out that little hinge bracket and just use the plastic piece. So we'll take these two screws here out. And remove this piece. This is all we need right here for this repair. And now this is going to slide back in at an angle and sort of snap into position, and now we can put the two screws back that we took out to secure that panel to the part of the hinge bracket that swivels. And now right in there you can just see a groove, and the wiring is going to go down into that groove. So right there, we want to make sure that wire is down inside the groove, and then we want to make sure that the outer panel is all the way in the upright position, and we're going to just start to slide these two together right around the center point. And if you get it lined up just right, it just slides right in to position perfectly. So if it does not look like that, then you need to pull it out and realign it. And right there's our two screw holes. We want to go back and put those two screws back in. It is just a standard Phillips. A small Phillips will do the job. No other tools are required. Now you can just see the heads of those two screws we just put in. And the inner panel is no longer broken. And everything's good. So, hope this was useful for somebody out there. And if you like it, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.